Hello everyone, this is me Padma. In this video we are going to see a problem of quadratic equation, and this is a time and work problem. Let's look into the problem. X and Y working together can complete a certain project in 6 days. So first we will write that X plus Y together doing a particular work in 6 days. Now the next step they have given us, X alone works on the project. He will take 5 days less than Y to complete. So for this reason, actually how to define X? First I need to know what is X. Y alone can do the particular project in how many days. That has not been given directly. So we can take it as n days. Now we can define X alone. X alone can do the work in how many days compared to Y? 5 days lesser. So I can define like this n minus 5. Whenever there is a time and work problem comes, actually we have to concentrate on in one day how much work has been done by the particular person or a group of person, so that we will compare and get the answer. Here first statement they have given that two-person working together. So now what I am going to find, in one day how much work has been done by both the people. So you have to take a reciprocal of this one day. That means 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 6. And y alone can do how much work in one day? It's nothing but 1 by y equal to 1 by n. X alone, how much work can be done in one day? It's nothing but 1 by x equal to 1 by n minus 5. So you can mark all these equations as 1, 2, 3. Now what we are going to do, we know in one day both together can work now. How much work can be completed? That means 1 by 6. 6 works can be completed. So now what I am going to do, I am taking x alone work plus y alone, so that all these are one day work. It's going to be one day work of both. So how to define now this equation? So I can write this as 1 by n minus 5 plus 1 by n, which is equal to 1 by 6. So first we need to take an LCM, n into n minus 5. So here n plus n minus 5 equal to 1 by 6. So now we can do the cross multiplication too. So if you do the cross multiplication, actually 6 into 2n minus 5 equal to 1 into n into n minus 5. Yes. So now we are going to do the simplification. 12n and 6 into 5 is going to be minus 30 and equal to n square minus 5n. So now we are going to shift these two terms to the other side. So what will happen? It will become n square minus 5n minus 12n plus 30 equal to 0. So it is n square minus 17n plus 30 equal to 0. Yes. So now we are going to do, we got the quadratic equation. Now we are going to factorize it. So how to do the factorization? Just take the constant term and the coefficient of the square term. So it's 30. So I'm doing over here 30. So that can be divided into two parts. And what is the coefficient of our n term? It's nothing but minus 17. So take any two number. If you multiply that, you will get 30 as an answer. If you add or subtract, you will be getting minus 17 as an answer. So I can take minus 15 minus 2. Yes, 15 twos are 30 and 15 and 2 both are minus. So you can add and keep it as minus 7. So this is how we are going to proceed with this. So can we proceed? So n square and minus 17n has been splitted into minus 15n and minus 2n plus 30 equal to 0. So now we are going to group these terms. So I can group the first two terms. N is common. So the remaining is n minus 15. And see, in the next third and fourth term, 2 is common actually. So we can take it as minus 2 so that it can be comparable with this n minus 15 too. So here the leftover term is n, and in this plus 30 I already took minus 2. Then the remaining is going to be minus 15 equal to 0. So now we can take n minus 15 in common, then the remaining is going to be n minus 2 equal to 0. So now we got the answer as n equal to 15 and n equal to 2. So what is actually n? We defined over here y alone can do a work. That's nothing but n. So we got two answers for n, right? So which answer I have to pick? So you can see over here x alone can do how many days they will take to do this work. So if I take n as 15, then you will be getting x alone means 10 we will get 15 minus 5. If you take n as 2, then n minus 5 is going to be minus 3. So that's not possible. So we are going to pick the value n equal to 15 for our answer. So here what is our n? So y alone can do the work in alone do the work for how many days? 15 days. Now the next one is x alone going to do the work for 15 minus, it's 15, 15 minus 5, it's nothing but 10 days. So this is how we need to solve this kind of problems. Thank you.